Alright guys, welcome back. So I have this, sorry about the light. These are the Beats Studio 3 wireless over-ear headphones. Now I know that these ones have been unboxed before and they're pretty old. I just thought I'd do the unboxing since I had these in my closet and they weren't unboxed. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to first go over what's around the box, then we're going to unbox the package to see what's inside, and finally I'm going to give you my impressions on the device and how it is. Now, I know that there's a lot of reviews on this particular headphone, so if you still want me to do a review for this, let me know in the comment section down below. And I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers that are coming back and watching this video. And if you are new here, do consider subscribing. It means a lot to us and it helps the channel grow. Let's take a look at the box. First thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this plastic off. Alright, so here we go. These are, once again, the Beats Studio 3 wireless. They're actually pretty costly for, pretty old headphones. They're $279 right now on the US website for Apple and $399 for the Canadian website. What I'll do is I'll leave a link for both of those websites and I'll leave my personalized Amazon referral link for you to go check out. At the front, it's just the headphones, what it is. This is the black and white edition. There's about 7 different colors available for this particular one, which is called the Decade Collection. There's 2 or 3 other different collections. An interesting one is the NBA Collection, which will have the different colors for your NBA team. And then it's the 10-year Decade Collection, like I mentioned earlier. And a couple of key highlights of this: it's pure active noise cancellation. It's basically noise cancellation. It actively blocks out the external noise when you are in different environments. It's not going to be 100% noise canceling if you're in a quiet environment. It won't be that much. But if you are in a very loud environment, let's say you're walking around and there's a lot of buses driving around, it's going to kick in and it's going to help you reduce the sound that comes inside. They're claiming up to 22 hours of battery life. I can test this out for you guys. I don't think it's going to be 22 hours fully. Sometimes they claim that, but in reality, what's going to happen is they get about 20 hours here and there. In terms of charging, it comes with fast charging. So in 10 minutes, you'll get 3 hours of playback. One downfall, and kind of like I can't give it a downfall because these headphones are pretty old, is that it's not a USB-C port or even a Lightning port. It's a USB-A to micro USB port. So we'll take a look at that. This is the front, and on the side, it's by Dr. Dre. Just a little quote. So since day one, it's all been about the sound. And at the back of that, we're gonna see what's coming out of the box and some information. It's wireless Bluetooth enabled, pure active noise cancellation. You can turn that off when you are in low power mode to increase the battery life. So they're claiming 22 hours with the active noise cancellation on, up to 40 hours with it off. Like I mentioned, 10 minutes gets you 3 hours of play. And then you have different options for controlling your music and your phone call. And it has a built-in wireless microphone. On this side, nothing really except for the case that's gonna come in, Studio Wireless. At the top, we have nothing at the top. And then at the bottom, we just have some general information about the logos and the serial number for these headphones. Now, these headphones do come with a year warranty from Apple, and it's kind of like a general manufacturer's warranty. And let's open these up. Here is the 10-year Decade Collection. In terms of sound quality, I did test out studio headphones like years ago. I don't know if it's the same. Let me know in the comment section down below. It's oriented towards hip hop and rap music, where there's an emphasis on higher bass. So if you don't like music with a lot of bass, you might not be interested in this one. You might want to check out like the Bose 700s, really good headphones when it comes to acoustics, or my personal favorites, which are the Sony 1000 Mark IIIs. I'll be leaving a link for both of those headphones unboxings and links down below in the comment section. And once again, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel. It really helps us grow. Once again, it's a very simple design inside. We're just gonna open this up. Inside, like I said, Decade of Defiance. We're gonna open this up. Just some more cardboard, and then here it is, the carry case. Really good carry case. Like I mentioned, I have the Sony 1000s. Truly does feel like it's heavy. It's more durable than those ones. So it says 10 years, the 10 years collection. It's a fabric material all around, and these zippers are pretty good. They're very strong, they're very sturdy, they're going to last you a long time with this particular case, and it has a little hole for you to put stuff in or hook this up to your bag or your backpack. Let's take this out. And you can hear that zipper. It's a pretty strong and durable zipper. And here they are, the Beats Studio 3 wireless on-ear headphones. A very, very nice hard shell carry case. Really impressed by this. They're going to protect your headphones, and I like that, you know, it's just a general carry case. You can put your headphones in here. You can put a couple of other cables in here. Definitely good feeling. It's a little plush material on the inside so your headphones won't get scratched. Let's take a look at these headphones. And you hear them clicking in. Go like this. It says Beats at the top. Wireless. And Studio 3. There's enough stretch in here. And let's take a look at what's on the left side. Now, the best way to determine left and right is this right here. It tells you which side it is, which is really good. On the left side, what you get is your volume up and down. Yeah, this is a kind of like a touch. It's not a tap, so you hear those buttons. Up and down for the volume. Play and pause your music. And you can also pick up phone calls using this button over here. It's telling you to remove this afterward. And then over on this side, just some more information. And it says right here, charge me up. This is the charging port of the headphones. So a couple of things right off the bat, that these ear cups are pretty soft and they are leather ear cups. They're not vegan leather. These are pure leather ear cups, so keep that in mind. At the bottom on the left side, we have this port right here to add our 3.5mm headphone jack in case we ever need to plug it in if there is no Bluetooth available. As well as on the right side over here, it is the micro USB port. And once you have turned on the headphones, this right here is the battery indicator as well as the power on and off switch. So you just press and hold that, and right now it's in the pairing mode. Pretty sturdy headphones. I personally don't like this noise. Right, it just feels a little bit tacky compared to what's on the market now, which is the, you know, Bose 700s, even the Sonys. I mean, these do look pretty cool. These are considered kind of like a fashion headphone. A lot of celebrities are wearing them, particularly, you know, hip hop music artists. They're wearing these in their music videos. So let's take a look at what else is inside of the box. There is this red little flap over here. Here we have the other information and guides, and here we have the phone cable if you ever want to connect to your phone. So it's 3.5mm headphone jack to a 3.5mm headphone jack with your regular buttons, which are volume up and down. And you can feel them that they're not like, they seem very tactile. At the same time, they don't feel very like premium. Here is the hook, like I mentioned earlier, that you hook this on to your side of your carry case, and then you hook it up to your bag if you want to. And then finally, what we have here, this is the charging cable, the USB-A to micro USB charging cable. I can't blame Beats for that. These are pretty old headphones. If they are revising it, I hope they change it to either a lightning port. What I would absolutely love is for a USB-C charging port. Could be a USB-C to USB-C, that's even better. But if it's a USB-A to USB-C, I'll still live with that. Okay, so this is basically what you get out of the box with these Beats headphones, Studio Wireless 3s. You get your headphones, you're going to get your hard shell case, which I really, really like. You're going to get your USB-A to micro USB charging cable. You're going to get your 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio jack, which can take calls because it has a little remote. You're going to get this metal hook, which you can use to hook this little area right here, plug it into that, and then you can hook it up to your backpack. And then just some reading materials, your warranty information, and then obviously a little or big Beats sticker. So let me know what you guys thought about this unboxing in the comment section down below. And if you want me to do a review for this, let me know below as well. And if you haven't done so already, if you're already here, hit that subscribe button. It's red just like these headphones. And make sure you share this video. As always, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. More content coming your way. Goodbye.